Hey everyone, check out the Wolizom Wire Cube Storage, a versatile and stackable shelving organizer perfect for any room. Its detachable design lets you customize the shape to fit your space and storage needs. Made with sturdy metal grids and durable plastic panels, this shelf offers both strength and style. It's lightweight and easy to assemble or move from room to room without hassle. Save space and keep your bedroom, living room, or office neat with this modern, functional cube organizer. Whether you want an L shape or a different configuration, it adapts to your lifestyle. Add a simple yet fashionable storage solution that blends seamlessly with any decor. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.